the cutest boy in the whole world? Robert James? Is it Robert James? Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Are you laughing? Can you laugh? Can you laugh? Oh, you gonna talk? What are you doing? Say love you. Love you. Love you. Say love you. Oh, did that scare you? Hi. Are you the cutest boy in the whole world? Yes, you are. You're so cute. Oh, you have a little cough? Oh no, those darn hiccups. You got them hickeys? Oh no, those are the worst. Those darn hickeys. Poor Bubby. Let's go fix them. Yeah, let's go fix them.